Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to calculate mean, median, mode on Excel. So first, to calculate mean, median and mode, we need to have some data. So you can see here I am having the data of total body water. Now how to calculate mean? So on Excel, to calculate mean, it is very simple. The first thing, you select the data and you can see here the average is 61.39. This is the mean of the data, and total size, total count, total number of the data is 18. Even you can check the sum of the data. If we add all the data, we will get 1105.09. So this is one way to calculate mean. Another way to calculate mean of this data, we can put here in, we can click here in any cell and just put equal to and type average. Average. So we can see here the average tab is open. We can double click on this average and then we have to type the range of the data. So our data range, you can see here A2 to A19. So we can type here A2 to A19. Then bracket close, enter. Now we got mean of this data, that is 61.39. If you want to check this data whether it is correct or not, you can compare. Again, you can select all the data and you can see here 61.39. So this mean is correct. Another way to calculate mean, you can put equal to, type average, double click, you can select the data. Instead of typing A2 to A19, you can select all the data and bracket close, put enter. So this is way to calculate mean. Now we can calculate median of this data. So to calculate median, first we have to put equal to, type median. You can see this particular tab, double click on this tab, select the range of data, bracket close and enter. The median is 62.1. So you can check here, the median is 62.1. Means 50% data are above the median and 50% data below the median. Now we can calculate mode here. To calculate mode, again we need to put equal to, type mode, just double click on this mode, select the range of data, bracket close, enter. And our mode is also 62.1. Thank you.